Dear students, welcome to the class. In today's class, I am going to start the new chapter number 3, subtraction. So, first thing you have to understand in this chapter is subtraction facts. So you have 3 subtraction facts in this chapter. The first fact is when 0 is subtracted from any number, you will get the same number. I am repeating, when we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. Some examples: 23 minus 0. You will get 23 again. 143 minus 0, you will get 143. 2011 minus 0. What will you get? 2011 again. Or if we take any 5-digit number, 15,403 minus 0, you will get 15,403. Or if we take 6-digit number, 7,23,004 minus 0, you will get again 7,23,004. Means if you take any of the number and if you subtract 0 from that number, you will get the same number. This is the first fact. Okay. Now second fact. When 1 is subtracted from any number, we will get the predecessor of that number. Okay, I am repeating again. When we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the predecessor, means previous number of that number. Suppose that, first example, 44 minus 1. Here I am subtracting 1 from 44. So what will you get here? 43. Which is the predecessor of 44. 43 is the previous number of 44. Second example, 523 minus 1. What will you get here? 522. 522 is the predecessor of 523. 1059 minus 1. What will you get? 1058. See, 1058 is the previous number of 1059. Means when we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the predecessor of that number. One more example I am taking here. 43,607 minus 1. What will you get? 43,606. This is the second fact. Now third fact is when any number subtracted from itself, we will get 0. This is the third fact. Okay, what is the third fact? When any number subtracted from itself, we will get the number 0. See the examples. 73 minus 73. See here, I am subtracting the number itself. Okay, what will you get? 0. 100 minus 100. What we will get? 0. 4,444 minus 4,444, we will get 0. 1,33,704 minus 1,33,704, we will get 0. Means if you take any, if you subtract any number from itself, you will get 0 only. Now this is the checkpoint given on page number 101 in your book. This is related with the subtraction facts. Now we are going to do this activity. So the question is fill in the blanks. So first is 42 minus 42. The number is subtracted itself. What will you get? 0. Okay. 32 minus 31. What will you get here? 1. Here the previous number is subtracted from the number. So what will you get here? 1. Dash minus 28 equals to 1. So you have to write here 29. Okay. 29 minus 28. What will you get here? 1. 65 minus dash equals to 0. So when we subtract the number from itself, we will get 0. So you have to write here 65, because when we subtract 65 from 65, we will get 0. Next is 47 minus dash equals to 1. So what number you have to write here? 46. The previous number of 47 is 46. When 46 is subtracted from 47, you will get 1. Then 16 minus 0. What will you get here? 16. When we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. Then 52 minus 1. What will you get here? 51. When 1 is subtracted from any number, we will get the predecessor of that number. Here, when we subtract 1 from 52, we will get the previous number of 52, that is 51. Next is 91 minus dash equals to 91. So you have to write here 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So here we have to subtract 0 from 91. We will get 91 again. So the answer will be 0. The next is 77 minus 1. When 1 is subtracted from 77, we will get the previous number or predecessor 76. Now next checkpoint is given on page number 102. Find the missing number. Now we are going to do this question. Now I am going to explain the next checkpoint, which is find the missing number. In this question, you have to find the missing number. So see the first one, dash minus 2 equals to 5. Here will come the bigger number, this is the smaller number, and this is the difference. Okay, here bigger number, this is smaller number, and this is difference. So you have to find the bigger number here. What you have to find? You have to find the bigger number. So how can you find this number? You have to add the smaller number from the difference. Here the smaller number is 2 and difference is 5. When you have to find the bigger number, you have to add both the numbers. What will you get? 2 plus 5. What will you get here? 7. So the answer will be 7. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay. Next, dash minus 15 equals to 5. Here again you have to find the bigger number. So you have to add the smaller number and the difference. Here the smaller number is 15 and the difference is 5. Be 20. So the answer you have to write here 20. Means 20 minus 15, you will get 5. See the next one, dash minus 11 equals to 42. Here again you have to find the bigger number. So you have to add 42 and 11. Okay. 2 plus 1 will be 3, 4 plus 1 will be 5. What will you get here? 53. So you have to write 53 in the answer. 53 minus 11, you will get 42. Okay. See the next one. Again here you have to find the bigger number. Bigger number minus 10 equals to 20. So you have to add 20, which is the difference. Add 10 which is the smaller number. Add both the numbers. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 2 plus 1 will be 3. What will you get here? 30. 30 is the bigger number. So you have to write in the blank. So these are the answers. And this way you have to find the answers. Again, we have another question. In this question again you have to find the bigger number. So I told you, you have to add these numbers. 35 plus 14. 5 plus 4 will be 9. 3 plus 1 will be 4. What will you get here? 49. In these first 5 questions, you have to find the bigger number. But in the next 3 questions, you have to find the smaller number. How to find the smaller number? The step you have to do differently. Now here you have to find the smaller number. So what will you do? You have to subtract the difference from the bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 61. In 6th question, what is the bigger number here? 61. You have to subtract 21, which is the difference, from 61. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 6 minus 2 will be 4. What will you get? 40. So this is the smaller number and this is the answer of 6th one. Okay. When you subtract 40 from 61, you will get 21. In next question again you have to find the smaller number. So in 7th question, the bigger number is 27 and the difference is 20. Subtract 20 from 27. 7 minus 0 will be 7 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. What will you get here? 7. Means when we subtract 7 from 27, we will get 20. Next is 99 minus dash equals to 4. Again here you have to find the smaller number. So you have to subtract 4 from 99. So 9 minus 4 will be 5 and 9 as it is you have to write. What will you get here? 95, which is the smaller number. So this way you have to do. So students, 2 checkpoints I have explained in this class. The first checkpoint is on page number 101 and the second checkpoint is on page number 102. Listen carefully. Both the checkpoints are on page number 101 and 102. So when in this video lesson I will send the class notes on CI Soft app. Don't write your answers in the classwork copy because your classwork copy is already submitted in the school. So you have to write the answer of these questions in the book itself. Okay. सो आपको जो भी मैं CI सॉफ्ट ऐप में जो भी क्लास नोट्स भेजूंगी वो आपको बुक में ही फिल करना है, पेज नंबर 101 एंड पेज नंबर 102 पर. So students, you all have understood the questions which I have explained in this class and enjoyed the class very well. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.